Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Sugar-free, oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, nut-free, 45 grams of protein without any protein powder, super tasty, super chocolatey, super healthy protein smoothie made with black beans but tastes like liquid chocolate-covered cherries. So good! So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, open a can of black beans, our protein source. Drain. Rinse. And throw them into a powerful blender. Along with half a cup of cherries for a quick recovery after your exercise. 3 soft dates. 2 bananas for all natural magnesium. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And 2 cups of a plant-based milk. Next, blend it until super smooth. Now enjoy a super tasty and super healthy protein smoothie. Thanks for watching.